I step into you, mother, with frail recall of when I crawled out, but not why. Life's cords, a coil entwined in your roots. I ask, who truly blooms in the absence of you? You whisper in delicate wildness, and when heard you teach the listening eye that imperfection is key in earthly beauty, that bluebells will grow through shit and through snow. These truths are drowned by us, kind. Our contribution to evolution is to ruin, but we all know how that will end. Although I have been unkind at times, screamed I hate you in the things I chose to do, I thank you for always reopening your womb. And while time with you seems ceaselessly shorter, I'll always return as your prodigal daughter, for I know it was you who kissed me with breath, and so it shall be that you'll kiss me with death.